Have you ever felt nervous to speak English? Maybe you know some words, but your mouth just doesn't want to move? Well, today, I will show you how to train your mouth to talk English naturally. Yes, your mouth can learn to speak English clearly step by step, and we will do it together. So, if you want to speak English more confidently, this video is for you. Stay with me because your speaking will improve faster than you think. Hi, I'm Anna, and welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to focus on something very important for all English learners: speaking practice. Not just any practice. I mean training your mouth to move naturally when you speak. You might ask, Anna, how can my mouth learn English? It's simple. Our mouths, lips, and tongue are like little muscles. And yes, muscles need practice to get strong. Today, we will do small exercises, real-life phrases, and fun tips, so your speaking becomes natural. Ready? Let's start. First, let's understand why speaking English can feel hard. Many learners feel this way. You know words, but you cannot say them fast. Your tongue feels heavy. You pause a lot because you are thinking. Do you feel this too? It's okay. You are not alone. The reason is simple. English sounds are sometimes different from our native language. For example, words like three or think are tricky. Your tongue must move carefully. If you don't practice, your mouth is slow and your speaking is slow. But don't worry. Today, we will train your mouth like an athlete trains their body. Before we speak full sentences, we need mouth warm-up exercises. These are very short and fun. Exercise 1. Lip stretching. Say, AAA slowly. Move your lips wide for AAA, smile for E, and round your lips for O. Repeat 5 times. Pause. Try it with me now. Exercise 2. Tongue twisters. Say slowly. She sells seashells by the seashore. Yes, it's a tongue twister. But don't worry. Start slowly, then faster. Exercise 3. Jaw movement. Open your mouth wide, then close slowly 5 times. This helps your mouth feel free to move English sounds. See? We are already training our mouth. Now we will practice common English phrases. These are phrases you use every day. Repeat after me, slowly at first. Good morning. How are you? I am fine, thank you. Can you help me, please? I don't understand. Can you repeat? Excuse me, where is the bathroom? Repeat them 3 times. Slowly, then faster. Why do this? Because speaking common phrases often trains your mouth and tongue to move naturally. Your brain starts to remember, and your mouth follows. A common mistake is speaking long sentences too soon. Example, I am going to the supermarket because I need to buy vegetables and fruits for my family. Wow, too long. Start small. I am going to the supermarket. I need vegetables. I need fruits. Repeat these short sentences. Your mouth will learn English step by step. Mini tip: speak slowly first. Speed comes later. Listening is very important. Listen to simple English every day. Repeat exactly what you hear. For example, you hear, what is your name? Say exactly the same. What is your name? Do this 5 to 10 times. You are training your mouth and your ears at the same time. You can record your voice. Then listen and check if you sound natural. Now, a fun exercise, shadowing. Shadowing means listen and speak at the same time. Example, you hear, I am happy today. You speak exactly at the same time, matching the words and rhythm. Try it with me. I am happy today. Yes. Don't worry if it's not perfect. Keep practicing. This trains your mouth speed, your tongue movements, and your rhythm of English speech. Let's make a daily routine. You can do it in 10 to 15 minutes every day. Step 1. Warm up, lip, tongue, and jaw exercises, 2 to 3 minutes. Step 2. Repeat phrases, common phrases 3 times, 3 to 4 minutes. Step 3. Short sentences. Practice 3 to 5 small sentences, 3 to 4 minutes. Step 4. Listen and repeat 2 to 3 new sentences, 2 to 3 minutes. You see, only 10 to 15 minutes can make a huge difference in a few weeks. Speaking English is not just practice at home. We need real-life practice. Here are some tips. Talk to yourself in English. Yes. Say your thoughts out loud. For example, I am making tea. Use English at the market or with friends. Even a small sentence counts. Repeat sentences from videos or songs, shadowing again. Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are good. They show you're learning. Remember, every small word you speak trains your mouth. Many learners feel shy or scared. They think, what if I make mistakes? Listen to me. Mistakes are normal. Everyone makes them. Even native speakers make mistakes. Tip: focus on communication, not perfection. Speak slowly. Use simple words. Keep practicing. Mini motivation. If you speak 1 sentence today, it's better than 0 sentences yesterday. Small steps, big results. Here are some fun exercises. Read aloud your favorite story. Even 1 paragraph is great. Sing a simple English song. Singing helps your tongue move naturally. Describe your day out loud. Use simple sentences. I ate breakfast. I went to the park. I saw a dog. These make your practice fun and natural, not boring. Let's quickly recap what we learned. Your mouth is like a muscle, train it. Warm-up exercises, lips, tongue, jaw. Daily phrases and short sentences. Repeat and speak slowly. Listen, repeat, shadow, train your ears and mouth. Real-life speaking, talk to yourself, friends, or strangers. Don't fear mistakes. Small steps count. Keep practicing daily, and your mouth will naturally start speaking English more fluently. I know it can feel hard, sometimes slow, sometimes frustrating. But here's the truth. Every word you speak is a step forward. Even 5 minutes per day matters. Your mouth,
your tongue,
your brain, they all learn together. Remember, consistency is key. Small steps every day. Speak, listen, repeat. Soon, English will feel natural, just like your first language. Thank you for training your mouth with me today. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. It helps me create more easy English practice videos for you. Comment below and tell me, which phrase did you practice today? I will read your comments and cheer for you. Keep speaking, keep practicing, and don't be afraid of mistakes. English is fun and you can do it. See you in the next video.